This is a realistic day in the life of a person who is trying to maintain a spiritual practice, build strong, powerful legs, currently without a gym, and maintain a healthy plant-based diet. In this video, I'll guide you through a quick morning meditation session, a leg workout that you can do at home, and I'll show you a couple of my go-to plant-based meals. Hey, good morning. So it's currently about 7 a.m. right now. I am preparing for a online Zoom call meditation session. So mantra meditation is the practice of singing and chanting sacred mantras. The word man means mind and tra means to draw away from. So the practice of singing and chanting these mantras helps to draw the mind away from all of the stress and the anxiety that we experience, and it can help one to gradually become self-realized and peaceful within. Okay, we are all set up now. I'm about to join an online Zoom call, and I'm doing it with this wonderful organization called Congregational Kirtan. They provide free Kirtan meditation videos for people all over the world, so more and more people can hear and enjoy it. So I'll do this for about 30 minutes now. I'll share maybe a 1 or 2 minute clip with you, and you can kick back, relax, and enjoy the mantras if you like, or you can even sing along if you feel inclined. The mantra I'll be chanting today will be the Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. It's known as the Great Mantra, and it's a very powerful, very wonderful spiritual mantra. So kick back, relax, and enjoy.
Welcome our next guest to chant with us, Jason.
Haribol, namaste. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay, so it's now about 7:45. I just finished my meditation session with congregational kirtan, and it felt very nice. It was very uplifting. I always feel a little boost after doing one of those sessions. It always feels good. So for my pre-workout meal, I had an apple and sliced it up. Apples are a great pre-workout because you get a quick energy boost from the natural sugar, and then there's also slow digesting carbs, and apples contain a good amount of water as well, so they hydrate you. And then I had a couple slices of sourdough toast, and I put some peanut butter, nutritional yeast, and a little honey on top of that. So this here is the finished product, our complete pre-workout meal. I'm actually feeling pretty tired. I've taken 2 naps today so far. I think it's probably because I didn't get too much sleep last night. But anyway, I think this meal here should probably give me some energy, bring me back to life, and then we will meet and do our leg workout.
Honestly, I felt great after. They do it. It's honestly so great. You know, I'm not gonna. I don't know.
Me of how you feel 20.
Sure.
It's that same. It's like fight or flight.
All right, so it's about 4:30 right now, and I definitely do feel a lot better after having that meal. Before I had that pre-workout meal, I was feeling really sluggish and really tired, but now I feel ready to go. So I'm going to show you this circuit that I do for legs. It consists of 4 exercises, and what I do is 3 to 4 rounds of 30 seconds per exercise. So I don't count reps, I just go by time under tension. I'll set a timer for each set. And in between each set, I'll take 90 seconds rest. So 30 seconds on, 90 seconds off. It starts with Bulgarian split squats. So I do 30 seconds on each leg. And then next I'll do step ups, again 30 seconds on each side. Then I'll do a set of regular bodyweight squats, again 30 seconds. And then the final exercise of the circuit will be cleans with very light weight, and I'll do that for 30 seconds as well. And once again, in between each set, I'll take 90 seconds rest. The Bulgarian split squats help with balance. The step-ups help with knee lift. I've noticed that since I started doing step-ups, when I'm running faster, I have a stronger ability, a better ability to get my knees up higher and run harder and faster. And even the cleans, although it's done with really light weight, is really good at training your body to be coordinated and explosive and move really quickly, which translates over well to running fast. So overall, this is a great routine, specifically if you're a runner like myself. But even if you just want to build stronger, even bigger legs, this is a great way to do it at home without the weights or with very minimal equipment. All right, so I just finished the workout. I did 3 circuits. As you could see, the weight was not very impressive. It was very lightweight, especially for a bigger guy like me, but it's actually a really good workout still. And it's not always about lifting heavy weight. Sometimes it's just about lifting the weight quickly and explosively. And now I'm going to go take a break, and I'll catch up with you later for dinner. See you then. So it is finally time for dinner. Tonight for dinner, I'm going to have lentils cooked in veggie broth. I'm going to have some carrots with that. Maybe I'll cook the carrots in the lentils with the veggie broth. I'll have some green beans as well. And to beef it up a little bit, give it some more protein, I'm going to have some of these vegan plant chicken buffalo wings. So I started off by boiling 4 cups of veggie broth. I then measured out 2 cups of lentils and rinsed them. Then I added them to the boiling veggie broth. Then I turned the heat down to low to let that simmer for about 20 minutes. Then I put the plant-based buffalo wings on a pan and baked them for about 15 minutes. Then I got the carrots. About 20 minutes later, the lentils were done, and I think they came out pretty good. Then the wings finished baking, and then I cooked some green beans to add a nice final touch to the meal. So this is the completed meal. Vegan buffalo chicken wings, green beans, carrots, and lentils. A very hearty, balanced meal. It's actually really good. Really good.